The future is coming. Will your job survive? Imagine sitting in your office. You check emails, attend meetings, and manage your team. Everything seems normal. But what if I tell you that in 10 years, much of what you do today may not exist? This is not science fiction. It is the reality of a world moving faster than ever. Technology is changing every part of our life, and our work. Artificial intelligence can now write reports, analyze data, and even manage small teams. Robots and smart machines can perform tasks that took humans hours. Many office jobs, middle management positions, and repetitive work are at risk. If you do the same thing every day, there is a chance that soon a program or a robot could do it faster, cheaper, and without mistakes. Now, think about your own job. How much of it is routine? How often do you follow the same steps every day? If your answer is, a lot, you are not alone. Thousands of office workers feel the same. Managers spend hours on reports, spreadsheets, or scheduling. But AI and automation are learning to do this too, and better. It is not a threat to scare you, it is a signal to wake up and prepare. The future does not have to be scary. It can be exciting. This is the moment to ask yourself, what skills will I need? How can I become indispensable? Technology will replace what is easy to copy, repetitive, or slow. But it cannot replace creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, or problem solving. These are the areas where humans still have the advantage, and the chance to grow. Imagine a manager who learns to use AI, not fight it. They can focus on strategy, team growth, and innovation. They can work smarter, not longer. The people who adapt will not just survive, they will thrive. The office of the future will need humans who can think critically, guide teams, and solve problems that machines cannot see. But the question remains, will you wait for the change, or will you prepare today? The first step is awareness. Look at your daily tasks. Ask, which of these can a machine do? Which can only I do? Then start growing the skills that technology cannot touch. Creativity, decision-making, communication, empathy, these are your weapons. In the next chapters, we will see exactly which technologies and jobs are at risk, and how you can position yourself to stay ahead and succeed. The future is coming, and it is faster than we think. But for those who prepare, it is a world full of opportunity, not fear. Imagine walking into your office tomorrow and seeing a new program on your computer. It can write reports, organize spreadsheets, and even schedule meetings better than you. Suddenly, you ask yourself, will I be needed here in 10 years? This is the reality many office workers and managers will face. Technology is advancing faster than most of us realize, and the future is not waiting. Many tasks that seem important today may become automatic. Artificial intelligence can now analyze data, make predictions, and even suggest business decisions. Junior analysts, assistants, and even some managers may find their work replaced by software. The spreadsheets you spend hours filling, machines can do them in minutes. The reports you carefully write, a program can generate them in seconds. It is easy to feel worried, will my skills be enough? And that worry is normal. But it's not just numbers and spreadsheets. Customer service is changing too. Chatbots and virtual assistants can answer questions, schedule appointments, and solve simple problems. Call centers are shrinking, and some office roles are disappearing. Even communication, negotiation, and coordination tasks are being influenced by AI tools. You may feel that no corner of your work is completely safe. The pressure builds. Will your experience, your hard work, even your creativity, be enough to survive the next decade? Even logistics, finance, and human resources are being transformed. Robots in warehouses, automated audit programs, and intelligent HR software can now perform tasks that used to take weeks. For some, it can feel frightening. If a machine can do my job better, what is my place in the future? But here's the truth: technology does not remove humans, it changes the rules of the game. Machines replace what is repetitive, routine, and predictable. They cannot replace creativity, leadership, strategy, and empathy. Your experience, your ability to think critically, and your emotional intelligence are still unique. These skills are the weapons that will keep you valuable in the world of tomorrow. The question is, will you wait passively, feeling anxious about what might happen? Or will you act now, learn new skills, and become the person who guides the technology instead of being replaced by it? Managers who understand AI and automation can focus on growth, innovation, and team development. Office workers who learn to use technology as a tool can save time, create more value, and feel more confident in their work. The future may feel uncertain and even a little frightening, but it is also full of opportunity. The people who adapt, learn, and stay curious will not just survive, they will thrive. Machines may take routine work, but humans who prepare, who think, and who create, will shape the world. The first step is awareness. Look at your daily tasks, see what is routine, and start growing the skills that no machine can take. Creativity, problem-solving, leadership, and communication, these are your insurance for the future. Technology may change your job, but it cannot replace your potential. The future may seem fast, uncertain, and even a little frightening. Many office jobs and middle management roles will change. Some tasks will disappear. Machines and artificial intelligence are growing every day. But here is the truth: the future is not your enemy, it is an opportunity. Every change in technology creates space for people who are ready to learn and grow. The people who adapt, who stay curious, and who work on themselves will not just survive, they will thrive. Even if your current job changes, your skills, creativity, and intelligence can take you further than you imagine. Start by understanding your work. Look at the tasks you do every day. Which are routine and repetitive? Which tasks need thinking, problem-solving, or creativity? Focus on the second group. These are your strengths, things that machines cannot replace. They are your superpowers for the next 10 years. Next, learn new tools and technologies. AI, automation, and digital platforms are here to stay. Instead of fearing them, use them. A manager who learns to work with AI can lead a team better. An analyst who uses automation can focus on strategy instead of repetitive calculations. Technology can free you from boring work, giving you more time to innovate and grow. Develop soft skills. Communication, leadership, empathy, and creativity are more valuable than ever. Machines cannot feel, understand emotions, or inspire people. These are areas where humans will always have an advantage. By practicing and improving these skills, you make yourself indispensable. Take small steps every day. Read, learn, try new things. Ask questions, solve problems, and explore your creativity. Even small improvements add up. The person who grows slowly but consistently will be ready for the future. Remember, change is not a threat, it is a chance. The world is becoming more digital, fast, and connected, but it also becomes more exciting and full of possibilities. New industries appear, new roles are created, and people who are prepared can shape them. Imagine the office of the future: less routine work, more creative problem solving, more teamwork, more meaningful tasks. People work with machines, not against them. Technology handles boring tasks, while humans focus on innovation, leadership, and making the world better. This future is possible, and it can be your reality if you act now. So don't be afraid. Prepare, learn, and grow. Use technology as a tool, not a competitor. Develop your strengths, expand your knowledge, and embrace the change. The future is coming fast, but it rewards those who are ready. And with effort, curiosity, and courage, you can thrive, achieve your goals, and help make the world a better place.
Did you like the story? Click like, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment with your ideas for new stories. Thank you for watching and practicing English with me. See you in the next video.